Welcome back to my YouTube channel, WARS PAK. Today we've got something really exciting lined up for all the car enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the 2025 Fiat Lampo, a vehicle that's been turning heads and creating a lot of buzz in the automotive world. Fiat has always been known for its clever engineering and distinct styling, and with the Lampo, they've taken things up a notch. This new model is not just a concept or a refresh, it's a bold step into the future, blending classic Italian flair with cutting-edge electric performance. Whether you're a Fiat fan or just curious about where the EV world is heading, you're going to want to hear everything about this sleek new ride. First things first, let's talk design. The 2025 Fiat Lampo has an unmistakably modern silhouette, but it still carries that nostalgic charm that Fiat is famous for. The curves are smooth and aerodynamic, with a compact yet confident stance. The front fascia features sharp LED headlamps, a minimalist grille design, and a glowing Fiat badge that instantly signals its electric identity. The rear isn't shy either. Sporty tail lamps, a subtle spoiler, and sculpted bumpers make it look fast even when it's standing still. Overall, it's a car that looks fun to drive and fashionable at the same time, perfect for city dwellers and weekend adventurers alike. Now let's get under the hood, or should I say under the battery pack. The 2025 Lampo runs on a fully electric powertrain, part of Fiat's plan to electrify their lineup over the next few years. It comes equipped with a 54 kWh battery that offers a respectable range of around 400 kilometers on a single charge. That's more than enough for daily commutes and spontaneous road trips. The motor generates around 150 horsepower, which might not sound groundbreaking, but paired with its lightweight body and responsive drive mode settings, the Lampo delivers a punchy and agile performance. Acceleration is smooth and instant, like most EVs, and you really feel the torque kick in as soon as you hit the pedal. Inside the cabin, Fiat has gone for a clean, futuristic vibe with just the right amount of retro touch. A dual-screen setup dominates the dashboard, one for the driver's instrument cluster and another for infotainment. The infotainment system is loaded with Fiat's latest Uconnect interface, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice recognition, and OTA, over-the-air updates. You also get a host of smart features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking, making it a tech-savvy and safe choice. The upholstery is eco-friendly too, with recycled materials used throughout the interior, reflecting Fiat's growing focus on sustainability. Charging the Lampo is straightforward and quick, with fast charging capabilities that allow you to go from 10% to 80% in just about 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. For home setups, it supports level 2 charging, which can fully juice up the battery overnight. Fiat is also rolling out a new app for Lampo owners, giving real-time battery stats, route planning, nearby charging locations, and remote access features like climate control and lock-unlock. It's a small car with a smart ecosystem wrapped around it, designed for modern urban life. Another thing that makes the 2025 Fiat Lampo stand out is how customizable it is. Fiat is offering a variety of color schemes, wheel options, and interior trims, so you can really make it your own. There's even a special Lampo Plus edition rumored to launch later this year, which may feature a dual-motor AWD setup and upgraded performance stats. Fiat hasn't officially confirmed all the details yet, but based on insider leaks, it could be a real game-changer in the compact EV market. Pricing is expected to start at around $27,000, making it one of the more affordable electric options out there without compromising on features. With government incentives in various countries, to sum it all up, the 2025 Fiat Lampo isn't just another EV. It's a symbol of how far the brand has come and where it's heading. It blends design, practicality, performance, and technology into one seriously cool little package. Whether you're looking at it as a daily driver, a second car, or just a stylish new addition to your driveway, the Lampo offers something genuinely fresh and exciting. Fiat has managed to bring together fun, functionality, and future-forward thinking in a way that feels effortless. That's it for today's deep dive. Stay tuned for more updates, test drives, and reviews right here on Cars Wars Pack.